Man, I just spent $700 on a starter. Now the damn high beam, the low beam. And y'all can see this crap. Holy heck. Boy, trucking, man. The whole damn bug assembly fell off. I'm finna see if I can fix this thing, man. This thing cost $600. $600. I said, what damn? For both of them? I said, no, just one. I said, man, y'all lost your damn mind. Clamp on there, so all you do is pull that up, okay? And you gotta get it over that lip. And then you just stick your screwdriver above the here and pull on it, and this harness comes loose. Pretty simple, man. Good thing about these camera phones, these iPhones, them 3 lenses helps out a lot. I'm hoping it's just these 4 bolts holding this thing. The whole assembly drops out. Just like that. Now let's take a look in this bad boy and see what's really going on. All right. Now when you get it out, you gotta be careful, because if you crack it, this thing is pretty much airtight, okay? Put a crack in there, you're gonna start getting fog from the elements, the moisture in there. Look at this bad boy. Look at this. Wow. There. This whole assembly came loose. Ain't that about a... Hold on, man. Okay, I'll pull this out and I can line this up. Okay. And apparently there's some screws going there, I would think. Okay. So the screws just work their way out. And I called them and asked them, can I buy this separate? They said no. You have to buy the whole thing. Well, that's fine. I'm gonna see if I can. The only thing about it though, I have some screws that I can put in there. But the only thing about it is, I only would be able to probably tighten up on this side. And you know, see, you got one at the top. I won't be able to get to that one at all. Unless I just take it loose. Maybe I have a better chance bolting it that way. I don't know. Let me try to see. Okay, now we got another issue here. I was just about to make my decision on just bolting the 2 bolts I can get to on the bottom. I won't be able to get to that one. And when I was doing that, that's when I noticed this down here. So it looks like I gotta take this little plate off. And I don't have a smaller screwdriver to get in there. So I'm gonna have to go buy one. I don't have a small screwdriver to get in there. Don't panic like I was about to. Didn't feel like going all the way to the store. I use this. It's not torque. It's not that much torque on it, so I just turned it with this and I said, oh, I was just seeing if this can fit. Come to find out, I turned it and I said, oh, it turns. So all of them was loose. Let me try to figure out what's going on with this. See? there's any hooks. Yep, look, there's screws going there too. Where all the damn screws at? Let me shake this thing up and see if the screws in there. All the screws came out. All right, found me some screws that are bolt on there. I was thinking about gluing that, but see, you can't. I mean, you have to put a whole bunch on there, and it's gonna take a while. The thicker it is, the long time it takes for it to reach its maturity. So I'm not gonna do it because see, it don't sit flush. So I found some screws that I'm gonna try to use. It won't fit in there. Well, I tell you the doggone truth. Man. How can I tighten it when I get it in there? It don't fit. I don't know how I'm gonna tighten it when I get it in there. I gotta take this back loose. Okay, all right, simply what I had to do was I had to stick a seat in. And what I did was I had to install it inside. Just don't have the proper tools. And I just brought it out one ear at a time and tightened it down. So it's pretty tight now. Now I just gotta bolt it down and she's gonna be good as new, guys. I'm gonna bolt it down in there. Try to get in that one. I got 3 of them on there, 1 to go. But it fell off in there. Yeah. It's all right. Probably some crimpers, some connectors. I'm gonna make it work. Probably some connectors, you know. That's all it is. Connectors. Get a good tight snug on that. And put some tape on the outside, just in case it come loose. It won't short against each other. Okay, I got it in there. On that tight. It ain't coming out yet. Watch this. I'm not touching the thing. It's making this whole thing rock. She over there. Okay, guys, that's it, man. Got this in there. Put that back in there. Built me a self harness for that. She good. She ready to go. Let's put her back in there and see what happens. wish this was this easy when it's in there, but it's not. See how it just snaps on there? Oh yeah, it's easy on here. When you put it in there, you only got this little space to work with, and you gotta turn this thing like this. It is not easy. Okay, I'm gonna see what happened here. There we go. All right. Let's see if the high beam works. Yep, everything working. Signal light. High beam. Low beam. Let me mount it up, she good.